It's a look, it's a look, yeah, it's a look. Everybody knows that I got them all shook. It's a look. What up, y'all? Jumping right into this video with another edition of Poppin or Floppin. I'm gonna be attempting the wet look with my type 4 hair. Well, I watched 3 different videos of this look. One by Kimberly Sherrill, one by Naturally Rain, and one by Naturally Nisi. Did I say that right? Natural Rain. No wonder it sounded weird. I kept using too many naturallys. So just by watching those 3 videos, I think that I can pull off this look. I think I can make this look happen with type 4 hair. Because Natural Rain at the end of her video said she doesn't think type 4 hair can do it, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna give it a try. So before we get right into the process of what I did, I have to share my prep. Once I washed my hair in the shower, I applied my leave-in conditioner. After I finger detangled, then I got my Denman brush and I took my hair in sections. So I parted it down the middle, took the back section with my Denman brush and like really combed it back nice and slick and put that in a ponytail. Then I did the same with the front part of my hair and pulled it back and added another ponytail, and I have it in a bun. So I figured just starting as flat as possible is a good start. This is all in theory because we don't know if this is gonna work, but in my head, I feel like it's gonna work. And also you gotta start with soaking wet hair. So I am going to get back into the shower and just wet the bun. So it's soaking wet, but just wanted to share with you my preparation before we jump right in. Okay, let's head over to my bathroom. Well, all right, let's do this. So I got my spray bottle just in case my hair starts to, just in case my hair starts to dry. Dang, I could just never be fully prepared. I'm always missing something. Like, does this happen to y'all? Where you just think you have everything laid out that you need to just get it popping, and then you realize you forgot something. Happens every. Hold up. Okay, real quickly, I just want to share with you guys the leave-in conditioner I use because it is new. I just went browsing around at Marshall's and I found this, a Nature Love Apple Cider Vinegar Clarify and Shine Leave-In Therapy. It does not smell like apple cider vinegar, so that's a plus. It smells like apple flavor, like apple flavored candy or green apples. It has like the little spray cap. It's like lightweight. Here, I'll spray some. It's like lightweight, but it still has like a creaminess to it. So with the spray, I parted, because this is my first, yesterday was my first time using it. I'll like part little pieces and I'll spray in there and I'll rub it in. And then when I gotta get down to the nitty gritty, I have to say, spray bottle thing, girl, it's time to retire. And take the top off and just go ham with the strands. And oh my gosh, my hair is so soft. My scalp feels like really good and clean. What does it say? Lightweight leave-in formula enriched with apple cider vinegar that naturally detangles and reduces frizz and protects from heat styling. Gently clarifies and revitalizes. Nature Love, run me that check. That was so catchy. So for the weighing down part, I am going to also be using my Anasi Naturals Holy Grail, the Rocket Curls Curl Enhancing Cream. I don't have that much left of this, so I don't even know if this is going to do anything, but my Carefree Curl Gold Instant Activator, I'm going to just kind of pair it because there's tons of this left. And so I'm just going to use both, because if you've seen my unpopular natural hair opinions video, you know that I am a minimalist when it comes to products. So I only buy stuff when needed, when I run out. And as you can see, I haven't ran out of curl cream, so I didn't need to buy any. So I'm just kind of using what I got. And then a new for me is this Eco Styler coconut gel. I've never used this one. I'm like an avid user of the green one, the olive oil, and the argan oil. So this is my first time trying this one, so I'm excited. Okay, so let me tell you what I'm doing here. I'm starting in sections from back to front. So I'm mixing the curl cream and the curl activator together and just raking it through my hair, making sure my hair is nice and detangled. As I apply the gel, I make sure I lay it down from the roots like it's super glue, Gorilla Glue. I take the brush, the diamond brush, and brush it down really nice and slick. Then I focus on the strands. So once I get to the side of my hair, I make sure that once I apply the gel to the strands and the roots, that I brush it back towards the back as slick as possible, as you can see here. And same thing for the very top of my head, just making sure it is nice and flat, brushing it and laying it down as flat as possible. Okay, and we're done. Let you guys take a look at the back. So with the literal sense of the wet look, I got that down because my hair is literally wet. I think now the major key and what's gonna help solidify this look is the tie down, how you tie this down. So now that I have my baby hairs, this shirt is through, it's done, it's a wrap. Now that I got my baby hairs, I'm gonna take my little nylon. If you follow me on Instagram, and you should, at _Nika.go, you see I have these videos called Curl Pop Minutes, and I talk about how cutting strips from your old nylons are the key to perfect baby hairs. So I'm gonna start off with the baby hair layer, which is my little nylon thing here, so I'm gonna tie that. Now, we got the bigger scarf, silk scarf, for the whole head. So I will be back for the big reveal if it's popping or flopping when it's completely dry. So it is the next day and we are like 50, 55, maybe 60% dry. Now we're just at dampness. I've had it tied down all night and it's the next day, like I said. So this is how it's looking so far. It's not fully dry. I am gonna show you at the end of this video how it looks dry, but I do have to go somewhere for a couple of hours, so I had to take the ties down, so we'll see how it air dries throughout the day and how it looks when it's completely dry. So without further ado, cue the fake ass music video, exit. So two things. Number one, I think after applying the curl cream and the curl activator, I could have used an oil. And number two, I should have used a stronger hold gel like the Wetline Extreme Gel. But I'm not gonna call this a complete flop because I'm still feeling the look. Let me know what you guys think. If you're not already, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell because this party stay poppin', and like this video. But until next time, thank you so much for watching and stay poppin'. You can get 5 cents in a tough tip. I pour that water over my soda.